Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the film in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle. So I made this video is for beginner new into the game that still confused how you can use the support memory. For example, tap this team button, tap this support memory. As you can see, they are red, yellow, blue, orange and green. And this the color one like this, it means you all already have the film like this max, and you can use this. But if you have the gray one, it means you don't have, or you are not yet collect the full of support memory, or you can, or you have no sufficient, or you have a sufficient film. This, for example, film red, you can get this item from exchange feature. Tap the exchange feature, scroll down, and this one, there are a lot of film that you can purchase by this item of Baba shop, and it requires 600 to get this. I mean this one, sorry, you this required 100 to get to exchange the film like this one film. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button. Enjoy the game.